Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up Facebook application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Facebook application on your mobile phone, you have to click on your profile by just tapping on your profile picture. So after tapping on your profile picture, your profile will be opened here in this way. So what you have to do is just simply go to the post section, and here you guys can be able to see in this panel there is a photos. So you have to simply hit this photos. So after hitting the photos, you guys can see all the photos albums above at this panel. So here what you have to do is just simply find out the profile pictures panel. So you guys can see here is a profile picture playlist. So you have to simply tap on this profile picture. So after tapping on that, all the profile pictures of previous and new will be opened here. So what you have to do is just simply select the latest one. So I'm just selecting the current one. So after opening up that specific current one in your profile picture, you have to simply hit on the top right corner of three dots. So after tapping on these three dots, you guys will be able to see lots of options. Here in the second option is which is delete photo. So what you have to do is just simply hit the delete photo, and in this way you guys can just simply delete your profile picture within a few seconds. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.